Now that all the dust is settled and the project is looking really good, it's time to get to the nitty-gritty of it. And that is changing out the dust collection bag. Many dust collectors out there feature these fishhook style connector points for the collector to hold the bag in place while you run the metal strap that holds and cinches everything down. Now these do work, but they can cause the bag to tear as you're getting these strapped into place. Now for this, you'll need 3 or 4 rare earth magnets, and in this case, this is Grizzly, so of course I have 3D printed up a little bear with the magnet in the bottom. Now you don't need an adorable 3D printed bear for this. You can simply use a piece of dowel rod with CA glue and the rare earth magnet, but it's anything that can help remove the magnet from the steel housing. And that's about it. Save yourself some time and a little bit of stress with some magnetic intervention the next time you're changing your dust collector bag.